Doesn't it just feel like the market wants to fall apart? I just wanted to get that off my chest right from the top. This is your morning jolt. Lots of stuff going on today. But first up, the big story, and it's what we were talking about yesterday in Morning Jolt. Emerging market stocks continue to perform absolutely horribly. They have entered a bear market. What is a bear market? Down 20% from its highs. Emerging market stock index, the MSCI, down for its 7th straight day on Thursday. Obviously not very good. I mean, you have to start paying attention to these emerging markets and their forward-looking predictive powers for U.S. markets. I know it's a mouthful there, and you need to start paying attention to it. It's very important. And along those same lines, you may want to start paying attention to the Bitcoin prices. They are absolutely falling out of bed. Earlier in the week, they were about 6,800. Now they're about 6,300 in terms of prices, Bitcoin. Some of the people that I've been following on social media, some of the Bitcoin experts and things that I'm reading, you could easily see $5,000 on Bitcoin. Where are those $250,000 Bitcoin price calls? You ain't seeing them right now because prices are falling out of bed. All right, next up, the data dump. Facebook. Now, the market clearly did not like CEO Sheryl Sandberg's testimony in front of lawmakers on Wednesday. So much so now the stock is near a key technical point of the charts. The July lows at about 166 and change. If this stock does not hold 166 and change, it might go down to the March lows at about 150 bucks. That's about a 10% haircut. So you Facebook bulls out there, remember where you heard it first. If the Facebook stock falls out of bed within days, and it could because of technical reasons, remember where you heard it here first on Morning Jolt. It may just happen. And Twitter, by no means, its shares are definitely looking dog-like as well right now. And then lastly, and I got to sit down here. I mean, it's a beautiful day. Well, a little cloudy on Wall Street. I mean, I got a lot of stuff to talk about in the Streets newsroom. I mean, we're just absolutely killing it. And I'm going to have to sit back. We're so much killing it. I just got to read off my paper. Yeah, so today is our Trading Strategies live show at 11 a.m. What better time to watch a bunch of live, true market experts, not like these other faux pundits you see all over the place on TV, true market experts that are in the trenches each day, give you insight into the markets right now, especially when we're at this critical juncture with volumes coming back in emerging market stocks and Bitcoin, as we just talked about, absolutely blowing up. That will be at 11 o'clock on TheStreet's homepage. You can watch it live. It's a full hour. Watch this thing. It is not talking head stuff. This is insightful guidance on where the market could head next and how you need to be positioned accordingly. Shout out to TheStreet's Scott Murphy. He will be hosting this along with all the experts. Very excited to hear about that. Next up, a lot of cool interviews. You know, I talked to Inspire Brands co-founder and CEO Paul Brown yesterday. That is the holding company that owns Arby's and Buffalo Wild Wings. He did not rule out an IPO. He did not rule out potential acquisitions. And he also said big changes are coming to Buffalo Wild Wings soon in terms of the menu and ordering process. Paul Brown is the man. He's going to get the job done at Buffalo Wild Wings just like he did at Arby's. And then staying on the restaurant theme, at Jacob Sonnenschein, he talked to Dunkin Donuts U.S. COO Scott Murphy. Cool insight there. He came away thinking it makes sense that they are moving with smaller, mobile-focused stores that just focus on grab-and-go items that just say the Dunkin' name. It's still Dunkin' Donuts to me. I know they're trying to roll out these Dunkin' stores. It's still Dunkin' Donuts to me. That's all I'm saying to him. So I talked to Sprout's CEO as well yesterday, and he did not rule out. He sounded like a guy that wants to do a couple deals, either buy something or maybe sell the company. Phenomenal discussion. Check out that piece on The Street. And then lastly, our real money stock of the day is Honeywell. Why? With good reason. The Street's founder, Jim Cramer, had an absolutely phenomenal interview with Honeywell's CEO yesterday evening on Mad Money. Listen, I think Honeywell is going to probably break up into 3 companies. We know that. It's probably coming within the next year. It's just the reality of it. Check out what Honeywell is doing in planes, too. I mean, with the technology they're putting into planes, and also, too, with smart warehouses and factories. Phenomenal stuff, and a reason why you probably need to be bullish on Honeywell over the next 12 to 18 months. Sign up for that free Morning Jolt newsletter down below. It's a little bit longer than normal, but I had a lot to get off my chest. I'll see you guys soon, and hang in there. Maybe down 5% on the S&P this month before you even know it.